Hello friends, welcome back to the any video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Realme phone guys accessibility setting, and today video title is guys how to enable color inversion mode in Realme phone device and how to use it. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. First of all guys we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, first of all guys we will click on guys this system setting guys. First of all guys click on your phone system setting, then guys click on guys your accessibility setting, and click on your vision setting, and guys click on this color inversion mode setting. Right side this icon guys, we will enable color inversion, and guys, how can we use it? So guys after enable guys, first of all your screen color and guys everything will change in your realme phone. So friends you can see, and friends if we use anything like youtube, and if we on any photos, so friends your screen guys you can see guys this ghost. So like that guy we can enable color inversion setting, and guy we can use in your realme phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guy, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.